Hello, Bridget Bartlett here with my Vision Agency. Today I'm going to show you how to go live inside of the communities built on HighLevel. So the first thing you want to do, if you don't see this button, make sure that you turn it on in Labs. It is a brand new feature. It will be going live soon in everyone's account, but as of right now, you do need to activate this first inside of Labs. So to go live direct in the community, what you want to do is click Go Live, and this is only available to admins. You want to choose the channel that you want to go live in, and right now we only have the option of going live now. We will have the ability to schedule live streams in the future, but right now it'll just select now as the default. You'll see this option here to have a meeting inside of the meeting room, and you can select your microphone and camera here. You want to create a post, and we're just going to call this test, and we'll put test as the description as well. And we can keep this live stream as a post, and we can also notify the members that we're going live. Now, I'm actually going to unselect this because this is just a training. I don't want to notify everyone. You will see up here, you can turn on your camera and your microphone before you start the meeting, or you can just simply click here to go live inside of the meeting. When you do that, you will see a standard meeting room. You'll have the ability to turn off and on your video and audio. You'll see the number of participants here. You can also see the number of participants here. You can check out your chat. You have all the same reactions here. You can raise your hand, and you can share your screen here. When you're ready to end the session, you can click here to end. And you'll also see while the meeting is live, your community members will be able to go into the community and they will see join the meeting in progress instead of recording in progress like we're seeing now. I just ended the meeting. That's why we see this. But if you did want to share the link for your community members to join you inside the meeting, all you need to do is share the link to the post here. Now, I've already gone live here in the community like you just saw, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete this post. Now, if I want to use Zoom and I want to go live inside of Zoom, host my meeting in Zoom, and I want it to broadcast in my community like I did for this meeting here, what I need to do is go live. And again, I can choose the channel and when I want to post. Right now is the only option. But this time I'm going to use the streaming software. And you'll see here that I have a streaming key and a streaming URL. Again, we need to add a title here. I'm just going to put test and a description, and we can keep this as a live stream post. We can notify members. I'm going to turn that off there. But here is the part that you need to connect to Zoom. What I want to do is go into my Zoom room. I want to select the meeting that I want to go live into my community. And you'll see when you select, we have details and we have live streaming. So you want to click on live streaming inside that specific meeting, and you want to click here to create a custom stream. So we have the stream URL, the stream key, and the live stream page URL. So for the page URL, we actually need to get the link to the meeting because that's where we need them to click to join us inside of the Zoom meeting. So before we set that up, I want to go back to the details and I want to copy this link to the meeting. So let's go back to live stream, configure custom streaming, and I'm just going to paste that link here. Now, typically, Zoom only is available in 720p unless you upgrade your Zoom account to the highest plan that they have available, which is the Zoom Events. So if you do that, you will have the ability to get full HD for your meetings. So you want to make sure to select whichever option is available for you, the highest quality possible. So now what we need is the stream URL and the stream key. And we're going to grab that here from this event. Okay, so I'm going to click here to copy the stream key. I'm going to go back here to the Zoom event and I'm going to paste in that stream key. I'm going to go back here to get the URL for this event, and I'm going to go back to Zoom and paste that stream URL here. Now what I want to do is save this custom stream for this meeting. Now, when it's time for me to go live, what I need to do is click here to start the meeting. Inside of the meeting, what I need to do is go to the More tab, go to Live, and then click here to go live to the custom live streaming service. Now, when I do that, I will be going live to my custom stream, but I'm not live in the community until I go back to the community and I click go live here. Now, once I click go live here in the community, I will be live streaming inside of my meeting and inside of the community. Now, you can go live to multiple places, including the community or even multiple communities, but you will need a multi-streaming device like Restream or StreamYard to set all of that up. If you guys are interested in that training, feel free to comment below and I can do a separate training to show you how to set that up. If you have any questions at all, feel free to go to myvisionagency.com. You can actually click here to join our free community. We are live there today until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Feel free to join us, ask any questions that you may have. If you're interested in joining our program, you can click here to see all of the plans available. If you would like to create your own HighLevel account and resell HighLevel, you can click here to create a 30-day free trial, and you can check out all of my bonuses there. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I look forward to working with you in open office hours. Go make your vision a reality.